kinder, first, and second grade teachers. I'm Julie DeLeon, and I serve you in the curriculum department for elementary language arts. And I'm excited to announce that you will receive sets of the Benchmark Phonics Word Study Workshop. And I want to show you what's in the kits. So this is going to be unpacking the kit so you can see all the exciting things, the tools that you're going to get to support your phonics instruction. So this is a kindergarten kit. I'm going to walk you through the pieces so you know what they are. As you go through the year, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And we're just really excited. We hope that you are too. So the first thing that you're going to get is you're going to get a Launching the Phonics and Word Study Workshop Teachers Resource System. This is the first unit of the year, and it launches the workshop. Just like you would launch reading workshop or writing workshop, there's phonics lessons, routines, little procedures, things that the children will need to know that you set up with at that point. You will also receive 2 of these. This is a teacher's resource system. You'll see that this is unit 1 through 5, so you're going to get 2 volumes of this. Benchmark Phonics Word Study Workshop does follow Reader's Workshop benchmark, so there's going to be 10 units plus the launch. So you'll see similar titles because the units are matched. So along with that, you will have some consumables. You can see this little nice set here. These are consumables for the student, so you'll have 1 consumable per student per unit. So that means there's 10 consumables in all, and then you'll always get them for every child. So inside this My Reading and Writing book, what you'll have is by week, so every unit is 3 weeks. So by week you'll have like an opener question, just like you might be familiar with in reading workshop. You'll have a shared reading text that you can work on. The kids will also have accountable text in here, something that they can read that will automatically apply and let them work with that phonics skill, as well as opportunities to apply that phonics skill to writing. So that's what's in here. This also has some a little assessments on the back that you can use in the unit, a take-home activity calendar, so some things like that. You will also get, this is an interactive big book, which has the shared reading text for the units. You will get 2 of these. This is a volume 1, and then you'll get volume 2. So you can see here, really engaging text connected to the skills that you're going to be learning in each unit. So we're excited about that piece too. Then you will also receive, this is a Lapbook, and it's decodable text. So you'll get 1 of these per unit. So you can see the text there. So you're going to get 10 Lapbooks. That means 1 per unit. As well, you're going to have lots of little cards that you're going to get. The thing to remember is that your consumables are here. So these are the consumables. So you're gonna get these every year for your students. These cards are not consumables, so you really want to take care of those and package them, whatever you need to do, because they need to last and be maintained for if you leave and happen to need to share the kit with someone else that's coming in. So you'll see we have these sound spelling cards are really awesome. They give you, like for this example, the consonant S, the different ways to say, the spell. They'll give you articulation tips, sample words that would follow that, action rhymes, and then also little tips for English language learners. So these are really helpful for you as part of your instruction. You'll get freeze cards, which look like this. One side is the alphabet, it's a little upper and lower, depending on the grade, might look a little different. This is kinder again, and then the back, so you can use those to practice different things. You'll have sets of high frequency cards, so those are there for you. You'll have work mats, so this particular work mat looks like this on this side, and then some different varieties on the back. You'll also have picture cards, so you can see the picture with the word and then just the picture on the back. And then finally some letter cards. So just all the different letters that you can use throughout the lessons. These are all tied into the lessons, so you'll know how to use them as you go through the lessons. There is one more thing that's not on this table that you'll get, and it's called the QPA Assessment Kit. It's a larger kit. That's more meant to be an assessment that you could use It's your choice throughout the year and with benchmarks, maybe like beginning of the year, middle of the year, end of the year, however you want to use that kit to gain phonics and spelling information on your students. Those QPA assessment scores, data, they're not going to be directly listed like in a lesson, but they do help you understand your students and kind of know how to be responsive. Because while this is a great system, we always want to be responsive to the students that are in your class and their needs, because that's the real live part of your curriculum. So we hope that this is really exciting for you. We do have summer PD sessions coming for you. So there's a save the date flyer that you're gonna see soon. Those courses will also be in Eduphoria. And one more thing that's really important is that for your summer professional development sessions, you're gonna need some of these materials. So you're gonna need to have a plan with your textbook coordinator on how to get those so that you'll be ready for your trainings when it's your turn to take them in June or July. So we're really excited. We can't wait to learn more about this program with you. You're going to see this listed throughout the ARC and the unit plans for next year. So we're just going to dig in, learn, and we can't wait to see how our students will soar with these resources, as well as all your great teaching and all the great other resources we have in Round Rock. Thank you for all you do.